Selling on eBay can be incredibly rewarding, but staying ahead of potential scams is crucial for protecting your hard-earned money and reputation. First things first, be a vigilant detective when it comes to your buyers. If a buyer's feedback is extremely low, or if they have a history of negative reviews, especially regarding payment or receiving items, consider pausing the transaction. Look for buyers who communicate clearly and professionally. Red flags include demanding unusual shipping methods, offering to pay outside of eBay, or asking for personal contact information before a purchase is finalized. Trust your gut feeling. If something feels off, it probably is. A golden rule on eBay: keep all communication and transactions on the platform. Scammers often try to lure sellers into completing deals outside of eBay, perhaps via email or direct messaging, promising quicker payment or better terms. This is a massive red flag. When you move off eBay, you lose eBay's built-in buyer and seller protection, leaving you completely exposed to fraud. Never accept an offer to pay through PayPal, Zelle, or any other method that bypasses eBay's secure checkout process. Knowledge is power. Familiarize yourself with eBay's seller protection policies. You can find these detailed guides within your eBay Seller Hub. These policies cover situations like payment disputes, unauthorized use of an account, and problems with buyer returns. Understanding what eBay covers and the steps you need to take to get that protection is your best defense. For instance, always ship items with tracking and signature confirmation for higher value items. This provides proof of delivery and can be your saving grace in a dispute. By being aware of suspicious buyer behavior, strictly adhering to eBay transactions, and understanding eBay's seller protection policies, you can significantly minimize your risks and enjoy a safer, more successful selling experience. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and happy selling.